Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram.
Today we are making Vietnamese breakfast steak and eggs, also known as bò nhé. It is a popular breakfast dish served in Vietnam, but you can eat it at any time of the day. Come and see why this will be the best breakfast recipe you'll ever try. So y'all,
let's get right to cooking.
First, we're going to marinate the beef, so cut your beef into bite-sized cube pieces and then put them into a Ziploc bag. Next, we'll add to the bag 1 large minced shallot, 4 minced cloves of garlic, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of MSG, which is optional. Give this a good shake to make sure all the pieces are nicely coated, and let it sit for about 30 minutes to marinate. Now it's time to cook, so heat up a cast iron pan over medium-high heat and add a couple tablespoons of butter and saute white sliced onions with a dash of sugar for a couple of minutes. And then add in your marinated beef and spread it out. Let it brown on one side for a minute before you toss it over so the other side can cook as well. You may cook this to your desired level of doneness and then add a tablespoon of unsalted butter to the steak. Now move your ingredients to one side and crack 2 eggs to the skillet and fry them until the white firms up. Sprinkle some cracked black pepper and salt and make a little spot and add your cherry tomato to roast them. And finally, add a little pâté on top and garnish this with chopped green onions and cilantro and serve this sizzling hot with a crispy Vietnamese baguette. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.